Hey guys, this is Aldridge here. Today I'm showing you 4 sneakers that we got under 5,000 pesos or under $100. Let's go. First up, we have this Vans box, Vans off the wall. And the box is pretty much destroyed. I mean, it's not destroyed, it's kinda in a bad shape. But of course, let's not be distracted because we have this slip-on. This is the Vans Blur Check. Why is it called the Blur Check? It looks like a normal checkerboard Vans, but if you look closely at the print, you'll notice that the design is actually blurred, hence the name Blur Check. And it retails under 4,000 pesos, which is right up in our budget. If you guys actually want this is actually for sale. Now, I'll link my carousel account down below, or you can DM me on Instagram. The owner is selling this for around 3,000 pesos. It has been used once or twice, it did not fit him, therefore he's already selling it. It's a Blur Check, guys. It's nice. It's a unique colorway. It's a unique design. It's not your regular old Vans checkerboard slip-on. Next, shoe. Believe it or not, we got this Ultra Boost under $100. How? It was during Seoul Academy's anniversary sale. They were 50% off. I think it was anniversary sale. This is the Ultra Boost 19. And this is actually already reserved. I'm selling this. My friend and I are selling this. This is the maroon colorway. And I have never tried an Ultra Boost 19, but based on my experience with Boost, it's super comfortable. Now you have this Prime Knit upper. And the 3 stripes over here at the cage is actually embossed. It's popping out, and it has that black and orange stripes. It goes along also with this heel tab or heel cage, whatever you guys want to call it. Next pair. Speaking of the Seoul Academy 50% off sale, this New Balance, this is mine, was actually also purchased during the 50% off sale. This is the New Balance Tex Racer. And if you guys are familiar with the model, this is actually retailing at 4,995. But again, it came from Seoul Academy. That's why I got this for only 2,500 pesos. It's a steal. Until a friend of mine decided to buy it from me and then gift it to me. Thanks, bro. Anyway, this upper, this light blue upper is actually mesh. But the darker colors, the navy blue colors, the overlay are actually suede, and it gives a more premium look to the sneaker. Of course, the tongue is actually white, and the laces are also white, which gives a more pop and gives more vibrant. It's more pop to the shoe. The midsole has a cream colorway, and New Balance has this absorb technology as their midsole, which for me is actually good. An interesting thing about this sneaker is the 3M strip running along the shoe. So far, I've been loving this shoe. I've been using it a lot, especially if I don't feel like wearing expensive sneakers. And it's good actually. It's pretty comfortable, it's pretty comfy, it goes true to size, at least for me. And I got it at a steal price of only 2,500. Now for the last pair. I believe you guys have seen this from a previous video. This is the Paul George 3. And again, it's the USA colorway. It's all white, mostly white actually, with the gold swoosh, a blue and red splatter on the midsole. It's a PG3. What can you not love about it? And it's under $100. I got this last year around December from a guy named Chris. And I got this around 3,700, which is already a good deal. Now, how do I get these sneakers under $100, under 3,000 pesos, under 4,000 pesos? Well, for one, patience is key. I've been checking a lot of sites. I've been checking a lot of, stores, different stores, Soul Academy, Commonwealth, Adidas, Nike. I've been checking them, seeing if I can find a good deal on a sneaker. And if I do, I'll definitely go buy it. And if I can, I will actually resell it at a higher price. This is just part of my hustle. And as a student, I have to be wise with my money. I don't have a job. I only have a limited allowance, and I have to make the most out of it. Now, patience is always the key, because a lot of those GR releases actually go on sale, especially if a new model is coming out. You just have to be aware of it, and you just have to be expectant. And overall, I'm just thankful that I could actually buy sneakers. And some of these are actually not bought by me. Some were gifts. A lot of my sneakers are actually gifts from my family. The sneakers that you've seen today, 2 of them are actually from my friends. They're just asking me to sell them. So again, you guys don't have to hurry about spending almost 10,000 on an Ultra Boost. There will come a time that they will be on sale and they will be cheap. They will be affordable. You just have to be patient. Of course, some colorways would not reach those sale season. But if you're lucky, why not? Get it. Just be wise with your money. Don't spend everything on sneakers. And again, wear your sneakers. Don't just display them. If you guys enjoyed that video, hit that like button, hit that red subscribe button, and see you in the next one.